So first method, click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, click yes, and then type CHKDSK, CHKDSK space C column space slash F space slash R, and then hit enter. Then click to yes. Now check next time will restart. When you restart, it will start the scanning and troubleshooting, and some Windows file corrupted, so it will restore in this case. So select y means yes, and then hit enter. So this value will be checked. Next time your system will be restarted, it will scan it. Okay, then next method, then start to click on start and type disk cleanup, then click on it. Now check temporary file the internet, scroll down. If you don't need resident recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails. Okay, then click to clean up system file. Now it is a start. So don't worry, in this case is not delete your personal data, so it will delete only temp file which is not required for you on your system. And after that, Windows cleanup, Windows Defender, scroll down and temporary files, then click to OK and then delete file. Now this is cleaning, then it will close automatic. Then try to this command, click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then click yes. So this command, and this command I will give you in description. So first try this one, SFC scan, and this try to one by one. Okay, SFC space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So it will start some percentage, and then guys, then this is second one, then this is third one, and then this is fourth one. Okay, right click to copy. So this is started, and when it is completed, try to second one. So then second, like right click copy, and then you can type manually, otherwise it will detect. You just right click here. Okay, so it will automatically run, otherwise you can see. If you want to see paste here, so right click to here and then edit and then type to paste, so it will paste automatically. Okay, like that, it's successfully completed. Then this one. Okay, copy, type here, then select right click, edit. Okay, paste, like this. Okay, so this is also started. Then guys, this one last restore health, this is so important for this. Then type this, just copy it, okay, and then type enter. So after that also, since last process is following, then restart guys, and then please check it. Thank you so much.